guys, welcome back to my Ankara Nation YouTube channel. In today's tutorial we are going to make Ankara purse bag, and these are the materials I will be using: Ankara fabric, lining, paper, a zipper, scissors, and a strong interfacing. The measurement we are using for this bag will be 24 inches long, then the width is 17 inches. I hope you can see 17 inches width. I already ironed a strong interfacing on the Ankara fabric, and the next thing you want to do is to fold your fabric. So you are going to fold to your long side, which is on the 24 inches. You are going to fold like that into 2 equal parts. Okay, so you arrange your fabric. After folding into 2, fold again. So from this folded parts, you measure 2.5 inches. You mark it. From this part also, you measure 2.5 inches. You mark it. Then on that 2.5, we are going to measure 5 inches in. Five inches. And here 2.5 inches. I hope you can see the line. I'm going to cut this line off. See? So after cutting out, this is what I am having. So you see what it looks like. You're also going to cut your lining the same way I've just cut this Ankara fabric. So your lining should be the same measurement as the Ankara fabric, which is 24 inches by 17 inches. So you fold it, and you're also going to cut it out same way. After cutting out your lining, going to look same way with the Ankara fabric. Now the next thing to do is to add zipper to this fabric. So I'm using this. I'm going to open it into 2. Stitch one part here, straight down. Stitch the other part straight down. After stitching the zip, I'm going to place the lining on it. I'm also going to stitch the lining. I'm also going to stitch this part. After attaching your lining to your fabric, you're going to turn inside out. back and top stitch. Top stitch. After top stitching, now it's time to make the handle of this bag. For the handle of the bag, this is the Ankara fabric we'll be using. I already ironed a soft interfacing on it. This is 3 inches by 17 inches. So I folded into 2 equal parts first, and I folded the edges. I folded on themselves. We're going to stitch straight down. We're also going to stitch straight down. After stitching the handle, now we're going to fix it on the back. So you get the midpoint of your bag, mark the midpoint, then from that midpoint measure 3.5 inches. Not 3.5 inches, 1.5, then 1.5 here too. So I'm going to fold the tip of your handle, fold the tip. I'm going to stitch the square, just fold the tip, fold the tip. I'm also going to stitch this here. I'm going to do the same for this other handle. After stitching the handle, now we can close the zipper. We are going to cut off the excess zip. Okay, and turn your bag inside out. I'm going to stitch this point straight down. You stitch this point straight down. That is done. Then you stitch this part straight down. After stitching, basically done with this bag, turn it inside out. And we have come to the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next tutorial.